Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make the very famous South Indian sweet Pori URUNDAI. For this first we are going to fry few coconut pieces. The coconut can either be dry or fresh. Once done, take them out. Now add a quarter cup of water. To this add 1.5 cups of jaggery. Give a nice stir, let the jaggery melt completely. Here it is completely melted. Let us filter this one and add this to the same kadai. To this add a pinch of cardamom powder and a pinch of dry ginger powder. Stir this until it gets thick. We need to check for ball consistency. Once it is thick like this, take some and pour this into a bowl of water. It should not get dissolved and you should be able to roll it as a ball. So this is the ball consistency. Once you are in this consistency, pour the jaggery immediately into the puffed rice. Here I have taken 4 cups of puffed rice. Add the fried coconut and give everything a nice mix. Once the heat is bearable, you can make balls out of this. So here our Pori URUNDAI is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.